Today, we're going extremely deep into one of the most promising methods I've seen for making money online in 2026, the Instant Payout Method 2026. If you've been looking for a real, legitimate way to earn fast commissions without all the usual stress, complications, and long waiting periods, then this full, honest review is exactly what you need. We're going to cover everything about the Instant Payout Method 2026, what it actually is, how the entire system works from start to finish, why it's gaining so much attention right now, the realistic earning potential, who it's best suited for, the pros and cons, setup process, and most importantly, how you can start using this Instant Payout Method 2026 today. Let's begin with the big question everyone wants answered. What exactly is this Instant Payout Method 2026? The Instant Payout Method 2026 is a complete plug-and-play affiliate marketing platform designed to help regular people earn $200 commissions per sale with fast, reliable payouts. Unlike many other systems that make you wait days or weeks to get paid, this Instant Payout Method 2026 focuses on speed, both in setup and in receiving your commissions. This is what makes the Instant Payout Method 2026 stand out in a crowded market. You don't need to create your own products. You don't need to build complicated sales funnels from scratch. You don't need years of marketing experience. The entire system is built and ready for you to plug into so you can start earning with the Instant Payout Method 2026. When you join through the link I'll share at the end of this video, you immediately get access to a clean, modern dashboard. Right from the first login, you can see your total balance, referral stats, team volume, and all the tools you need to run the Instant Payout Method 2026 successfully. Let me walk you through the setup process step by step so you understand exactly how easy it is to activate the Instant Payout Method 2026. First, you go to the System Setup section. It's a simple 4-step process: welcome, username, profile, and adding your payment links. Most people complete this entire setup in under 10 to 15 minutes. Once you finish these steps, your entire Instant Payout Method 2026 system becomes active and ready to generate commissions. Next, you move to the lead capture setup. Here you connect professional, done-for-you lead pages that are already optimized to convert visitors into buyers. This is a huge advantage of the Instant Payout Method 2026. Everything is pre-built and tested so you don't have to guess what works. Then you head over to your affiliate links. With one click, you get all the links you need to promote the platform's products. Every time someone buys through your unique links, you earn a flat $200 commission, and because it's built as an Instant Payout Method 2026, the money hits your account much faster than traditional affiliate programs. You also get access to 2 strong products inside the platform: the Daily Income Method training system itself, the massive 100,000-plus Faceless Reels library. Both of these products pay you $200 per sale, which is what powers the Instant Payout Method 2026. This complete plug-and-play structure is why so many people are now successfully using the Instant Payout Method 2026 to create consistent income with relatively low daily effort. Let's talk real numbers and realistic expectations with the Instant Payout Method 2026. 1 sale per day equals $200. Daily income 2 sales per day equals $400. Daily income 3 to 5 sales per day equals $600 to $1,000 daily income. Because the platform pays $200 per sale, and the payout process is designed to be fast, many users report seeing their first commissions within days of completing their setup. This speed is exactly why it's called the Instant Payout Method 2026. One of the biggest advantages of this Instant Payout Method 2026 is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need previous experience. You don't need a big audience. You don't need to learn complicated advertising or copywriting. The system gives you everything ready-made so you can focus on sharing your links and collecting commissions. The platform even includes video follow-up sequences that automatically nurture leads for you. This automation is a key reason why people are able to generate income with the Instant Payout Method 2026 without spending all day working. Now let's talk about timing, because this is crucial for the Instant Payout Method 2026. We are still in the very early stages of this opportunity. The people who set up their system now and start building their affiliate presence are the ones who will have the strongest foundation when more people discover the instant payout method 2026. Early adoption in good systems like this almost always leads to better long-term results. That's why I strongly recommend taking action sooner rather than later if you want to benefit from the instant payout method 2026. Let me share some of the key features that make this such a powerful instant payout method. 2026. Clean, easy-to-use dashboard with real-time stats, professional done-for-you lead capture pages, automated video follow-up system, ready to promote high-ticket products paying $200 per sale, large library of faceless marketing content, built-in tools for buying traffic if you want to scale faster, weekly live training and community support. All of these tools combined create a complete ecosystem designed to help you succeed with the instant payout method 2026. Of course, I always like to be transparent in my reviews. While the instant payout method 2026 is much simpler than most alternatives, success still requires some consistent action. You'll need to share your links regularly, whether through social media, messengers, or paid traffic. The more consistently you promote, the faster you'll see results with the instant payout method 2026. But compared to creating your own products, running ads for months without profit, or building complicated email lists, this is genuinely one of the lower effort instant payout method 2026 options available. Here's my honest conclusion after spending significant time inside the platform. If you're looking for a real plug-and-play system that can deliver $200 commissions with relatively fast payouts and minimal daily grinding, the Instant Payout Method 2026 is worth serious consideration. It's clean, well-built, and focused on speed, both in setup and in receiving your earnings. If you're ready to test this Instant Payout Method 2026 for yourself, I've made it very simple. Click the link in the pinned comment or description right now. That link will take you straight to the registration page where you can create your account and begin the quick setup process. Don't just watch this long review and then do nothing. If the idea of having a real instant payout method 2026 excites you, take action today. Click the link in the pinned comment and get started. Let me repeat it one more time because it's important. If you want to start using the instant payout method 2026, the direct link is waiting for you in the pinned comment. Click it now and secure your position while we're still early. This could be the system that finally gives you the fast, consistent income you've been looking for. Before I wrap up this very detailed review of the Instant Payout Method 2026, I want to remind you one last time, click the link in the pinned comment if you're ready to begin. If this honest, in-depth breakdown of the Instant Payout Method 2026 helped you, please drop a big in the comments and let me know you're checking it out. I read every single comment and I'll do my best to reply to as many as possible with advice on getting the most out of the Instant Payout Method 2026. Thank you so much for watching this long and thorough review. I hope it gave you the complete picture you needed to make a smart decision. Click the link in the pinned comment right now, complete your quick setup, and start working toward consistent commissions with the Instant Payout Method 2026. I'll be back soon with more updates as I continue tracking and scaling my own results inside this platform. Take care, everyone, and let's make 2026 the year you finally have a reliable instant payout method 2026 working for you, or